In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and track whale wallets and their trades to make profit. It's actually very simple, so strap in, let's get started. First of all, you're going to need to sign up for GMGN if you haven't already. You'll see in the description of the video a link. Click that link, hop on over here to GMGN, sign up in the top right, connect your wallet or your Telegram to get started. After you've signed up, now here's where it gets good. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the home page of GMGN, and then we're also going to pop over to here to Deck Screener. What you want to do on Deck Screener is click Solana, and from there you want to just filter through to see all of the top tokens. And so on the Solana blockchain, so essentially what we're looking for are just popular tokens that have a ton of volume, right? So something with a ton of volume that we can look through the different transactions to find wallets, to find whale wallets that we want to track. And so let's just click this one for the sake of the video. Let's go to top traders. Under the top traders tab, what we're looking for is someone who bought a small amount of money, right? So here's a prime example right off the bat. Someone who bought a small amount of money for one single transaction and had massive profits. So this person literally put in $431 and walked away with $134,000. So for the buys, you want only one single transaction. We don't want someone who has like 20, 30, 40, 100 different transactions. We want someone who made a good initial purchase and then a clean exit, right? We don't care the number of sells they did over time. We just care about the initial purchase, right? It makes sense to scale out your profits over time. So this person had one single transaction where they bought, they made a ton of profit. That's exactly what we want to see. So let's click this button over here and let's open up in SoulScan. And now we're going to copy the wallet address. And now we're going to head over to GMGN. In GMGN, we're going to paste the wallet address. We're going to pull it up right here. This is the perfect example of a wallet we would want to follow. They are up massively, and their win rate is 71.43%. Clearly, they had a really, really good entry on Gremlin AI and made out like a bandit. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to click the follow button. As soon as we click follow, if we click the following tab down here, we pull this up. Now, anytime this wallet that we just followed makes a purchase or a sell or anything, we'll be notified. We'll actually hear a noise, it'll ping, and we'll be able to come over here immediately and see exactly what they bought. So let's say that this wallet that we just followed made a purchase right now and they purchased this token. I can immediately click this copy button, paste it right here in GMGN search, open it up, and then immediately see the chart, see if this looks good. If I think it's a good entry point, I immediately can buy right here. And this makes so much sense. You don't want to go back and forth between different tools and potentially make some errors. Or GMGN works really well. I like it and I recommend it. In terms of following wallets and knowing exactly when they're buying and selling, this is huge for us because now anytime one of these whale wallets makes a purchase, you'll be notified instantly and you can quickly hop in, get the gains, and get out. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Other than that, good luck out there.